So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a new account in the Temu app. First, let's open up the app. Here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just go into the EU menu. Then tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. Then tap on switch accounts. And here we can tap on add account to add a new account by using one of the available options. It's either continue with Google, continue with Facebook, continue with email, or continue with phone number. We can select either one of these and add an account by using that. And after we have added an account, it's going to appear in this list. And if you want to switch between the accounts, it's very easy because we can just tap on that and it's going to switch to that. If you are familiar with how Instagram does it, it's basically the same thing. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.